guys, now we're going into Python. Python is very interactive and modification. You can modify it in any way. Before we dive deep into this topic, let us download the actual processor to run this program to run this. So the program we will be using today is PyCharm. Just search PyCharm download, click on the first link. PyCharm professional, no. Just wait just a minute. Site community edition. Just community edition, this right? No, not that. Other versions. Is Windows version? This is the Windows version, and you can just download this link. It'll automatically download for you. Take 2 minutes. So before we go there, if you want to use a browser, just cancel it. If you want to use on browser, just click on this and say click on this button. I will be using exe file. If you want to using online, just search Python online compiler and programs. This is one. I actually program is good, but this also serves ads. So I recommend Yaplet.com. Just Yaplet.com. Just search next here. Yaplet.com. Start creating. Continue with Google or just with GitHub. Google I have, so just continue with Google. And it is actually more interactive because it will help you code and predict just predicts the best version you would need. This is now working. Just after you sign up, you can just create the new project, or you could fork someone else's project. That's how you make probably just new ones. And it's not coming for me because I don't have proper internet. And so after that, done, you can just search, you type programs just this way I'm using on PyCharm. Okay, it's done. Perfectly just done. Completed. So just double click it to open it. Is it opening? Yeah. And click on yes. And next. Just okay. Next. The pie. Okay. Just that. Those two. Then just select JetBrains, and it's downloading. It will take like for some time. So meanwhile, actually we can just I'll just see if Yaplet, no, Roblox, Yaplet, it's Yaplet, login. Yeah, okay, I already have it. That's why it was not working for mine. If you have a new one, you just select Python and create a YAPL. Let's just say Python name. No, not that. Python tutorial. And click on create YAPL. And these are all the tools which you can enhance your code with. That's what the AI features help you with. So no ads on this one, unlike the other ones. No ads. It's done. Almost. I just You can just type some random things. I'll also be showing you on how to. The exact same will be happening here too, and Yan Paicham. Select that, so it will immediately Yan Paicham, and Google, and PyCharm should be opening. You should just see a new there, right there. Wait 1 minute. Okay, you see this, right? Exact what it is. See, but we don't want this. Sorry, we don't want this project. Let's just go to just new project. Wait here. File, new project. Create project. Let's make it Python tutorial. That's tutorial, and click create, and after a while will open this project for you. You can just select everything and delete it, or backspace. Just now to run basic informations. So paint is just some random output. You can just type whatever you want in here and click on play, and it will just print out what you have typed. See, it's the exact same. So we actually make a small tiny game. Just first you can create a game with only one input. So I will introduce you to some more. So now input. What is this? Input. Okay, input. And what you can insert any kind of question. What is your age or something like that. Let's just say what is your age, or you are your age, and you can call it question, and you can just run this, and you can just type like 9. It's like that, 9, 10, 9, and it will take that, but it's not going to save that code. So to save that, you have to make a where was something, var or input var or something, var input, that will save this input. If I say 9, then this will be saved as like this, but you don't want any like letters in it, like 50 years, 40 years. No, just 40, 50, 60, like that. So to activate that, just say int and put it out around it, and to prevent the user from not entering any letters, and it will create an error. Obviously, just it will create an error. So if you don't use the correct error, it will create an error. To actually make some small games, I need you to introduce you some more variable types. Int is the integers, str or string is just like this. This is string, like the things which you can just basically highlight, and also these are comments. You can type anything, but it will do nothing, absolutely nothing in your code. just for efficiency, you can put that. What is your age? What can we make? Maybe we can make a calculator or in addition and subtraction. Also, just before we go to this little thing, you can just define first. Definition. Def. Okay? You can just name it like add. I'll tell you the add function and you have to add the subtract function, okay? That's your little bit of test. Add, you can just take two inputs in A and B. And you have to colon 2, and enter the add function, just you have to add, so return what is going to do and exit something with an output. What do we want to be result? What do you want to give the player? User? You want to give A plus B, and it's done. So let's say print add 1 plus 5. It's obviously 6, and if you say 6, now how can you just input this into so you need inputs. Also, just for that, you need also one more thing. Last, I promise. If something is still, some composition is still, equals A equals B. If A equals B means equals B. So A equals B, then A into 2 is the answer. You can tell that, but that's not going to work like that. So what can I give as an example? So if the player why did I just die? I just ended it. If the player collects selects something, add or sub, add equals, you also need to add string value types. If you add equals sub equals input equals add in that, like that, else also will be there, just as a complementary to if something is true, if this command is false, then it will run the else statement. You need a semicolon for this too, so we can just start it. So we got an input, just add an input real quick. Input equals a user, input user equals okay, input user you can also just make a definition for what can we tell, array or function. If the player didn't provide a right information, then it will check add and subtract randomly. Pair input add or sub, or it's add or subtract. Input what? Input, we have to take what do you want? addition what? Okay, addition or just add or subtract and just say add for plus symbol and sub for minus. You can close the bracket so it's obvious to us. And now I challenge you to create a function that just subtracts as the same as add, but it subtracts. It's really simple. I'll give you 5 seconds to pause the video and figure this out. Four, a 3, a 2, a 1, a 0. So the answer is def. You can just copy this. Copy, paste, instead of add, sub, and just add instead of this, minus. If you done this yet, give you a pat on your back. If you haven't, give you the video as many times as you like. We got the basic cell, but if you want to take the inputs as well, using input user add or subtract, you can add to this video. For this also I'll give you 5 seconds also to pause the video. You have to find out you have to basically ask the user if you want to, what are the A values and the B values. Both should be separate, not combined. Just separate ones, one for the A, one variable for the A and one variable for the B. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and done. Your time is up. To pause, maybe I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm making you wait too long, so just the answer is just to make A equals A underscore user. You can get to specify from these A and B's. A user equals input what is the first number. You just copy this and paste it. B. What is the second number? And just say if statement. If input. Oh, should I give you a test? No, because I haven't really introduced you to if statements that much, so I just give you just an example. If input user add or subtract equals what? It should be add or subtract. If it's add, then what do you do? Tell me. You'll probably be saying you have to add a function. You will be late. Add A and B. The A and B values are A user and B user. Just in the way. Else, you just tell me what the else function would be. Else, what would it be? Alright, I'll tell you. Else equals paint instead of add sub A user and B user. That's about it. What's the error? Same with the sub. Oh, sub. Oh, I forgot how to also add int here. Sorry. If you got that, give 2 pats on your back, I guess, because you're smarter than me. Int, because you want an int one. Okay. Addition or subtraction. We want. Let's do ADD for addition. What's the first number? 5. Enter. Second number 4. It's already 9 and 9. Next, let's enter code and choose sub this time for subtract. You can subtract 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. Okay, I have 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. As you can see, it has got it correct. Your your most basic Python tutorial is complete. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.